A lot of people have been asking me how good this nail gun is. Well, I'm going to be putting it to the test because I'm going to be using it to fit these two big windows. Right, I'm on the next step of my kitchen build phase. As you can see, I built the block work already to fit the worktop. Before I fit the worktop, I want to fit these two big kitchen windows. This is a one job that I cannot do alone because they are very heavy and they cannot be taken apart. So I cannot fix it on my own. So let's have a look at these windows. The reason that they're so heavy is because these windows here are fixed. They are solid. So at each end, these are fixed windows. And the two inside, they slide in and out. And so because they are fixed, the way they fix these type of windows is by using these brackets. They got brackets all the way around. And so to fix these brackets to my concrete posts, I'm going to use my new powerful nail gun that I purchased. A lot of people have been asking about if I'm getting use with this new nail gun, and I will demonstrate to you in the next video of how it's going to be used for fixing these windows. So in the normal way of fixing these brackets to the posts, what you'd have to do, you'd have to mark the hole on the post where the bracket sits. You have to move the bracket over, drill a hole, put a wall plug in, move the bracket back, and then get a screw and fix it that way. But with this nail gun, all you need to do, put the bracket on the post and boom, job done. It's going to be so much easier and so much quicker. So I'm looking forward to making use of my new tool. I've been promised that I will get some help soon, within the next day or two. So when I do get some help, come give me a hand, put these windows in. I will record a video showing the process and the use of my nail gun. So that's just a quick update of where we are with the kitchen build, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.